Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, day after Thanksgiving. We hope a big holiday in the U.S. We hope all of you had a safe time and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show on a Friday. Big news. Next week, this is the last day we're going to be transmitting from Los Angeles, and next week we're going to be at MAPIC in Cannes transmitting. So we've got a lot of interesting interviews set up with some of the retailers, some of the service providers, a few of the investors and developers. So it should be quite a bit of fun. We hope we'll have some good weather. Anyway, it's, like I said, it's the month of retail, so we're of course our retail guide has come out now, and we'll show you a picture of it in the next edition. Going to pick them up from Warsaw and then straight to Cannes for MAPIC. So if you're at MAPIC, shoot me a message, SMS or email. We'll definitely like to get together and talk. We've also got our CEE Retail Awards, annual CEE Retail Awards. Never missed a year, even last year. It's the 27th of January in Warsaw at the Warsaw InterContinental Hotel. We hope you can all make it. If you have for shopping center owners or retail owners, if you have any opportunities for retailers to move into your space, let us know. We're meeting a lot of retailers over next week, and also we've got quite a few already signed up for the CE Retail Awards. Let us know what you're doing. We definitely want you to be part of the magazine and part of the event, and anything coming up on the retail side. Investors as well, let us know what's going on. We've got a lot of opportunities there as well. So anyway, we want everyone to have a great weekend. We're going to show you a little 20-second video of the Retail Awards and what we're doing there. And then we're jumping straight to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, which will give you the highlights of the news for EuropaProperty.com. And we will see you next week in Cannes. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big Retail Awards Gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And we'll start in Poland, where a new retail park has opened called Galeria Andrzejów. It's a joint venture between Actium Group and EQUILIS Europe. And the new park is heralded as one of the largest retail parks to open this year, and it's got 24,000 square meters. And it now offers around 31 stores to over 200,000 consumers in the local catchment area. Moving on, and Savills Investment Management has published its latest outlook report for the real estate markets for 2022. And they say that next year will mark a turning point for both office and retail investors as the world continues to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. Sectors such as living, logistics, and real estate debt also look set to offer compelling opportunities. They go on to say that although a number of geopolitical and macroeconomic opportunities and risks lie ahead in 2022, inflation looks set to be the biggest challenge investors will have to negotiate. Despite a challenging backdrop, global investor sentiment is positive. One of the driving factors behind this renewed confidence is that investors believe that their investments performed well during COVID-19 and in the wake of COVID-19, and compared to a normal year. So that's quite positive. The report also found that investor confidence is on the rise, and they will continue to move up the risk curve in 2022. Another important aspect of the investment market moving forward is the environment, social, and governance themes, which are likely to continue to dominate the investment market as governments and companies embark on their pathways to a carbon-neutral world. Moving to Hungary, and Adventum has sold another office building in Budapest just 2 months after it sold the Marassi 5 office building. Aventum has concluded another deal, and they have sold an office they have sold the Burrows office park from its portfolio. This is an office park that comprises of 3 modern office buildings. And according to Christoph Barani, he's the owner of Aventum, he says, this was the 4th successfully concluded sale from the Trium portfolio overall, and the 2nd one this year, just 6 weeks after the Mariassi deal. Thanks to this exit, we continue to believe it is realistic to make a full exit at the fund level within 4 years, much sooner than originally planned. And finally for today, moving to the Bucharest office market, and SOS, a leading office outfit company, is expanding its main representative office in Bucharest and is leasing around 3,000 square meters in the new Miro office building located in the north of Bucharest, developed by Speedwell. The company's 90 employees will relocate to this new space next summer. The new space is 3 times as bigger than their original space. And according to Christoph Weller, he's the SOS founder, he said, Sarnis Investment Fund recently joined the SOS business as a majority shareholder, and this is a step forward in the recently announced joint development strategy. We are confident in the extraordinary growth prospects we continue to have, both geographically and in terms of new market segments. That will help us focus on developing in the future. And those are the main headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please log in. And have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.